Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Haba penpai ketien kala halor ke jingkan tho ka seng kongres ke balakan tho ba ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ngadu balasdang ke jingkon persya yau knyang jingpang COVID-19 kala le bam setnyo ye kinong pang ki bapang de ki waipat ki jingpang ba per nakalyang usembot menteri rang ba ka jilla uba prestun tunsong ulaong ba kani ke jingkan tho jong ka seng kongres kalong ka babakla ha ka jingkan tho jong ka seng kongres kala ongru ba nakadaw ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kala pelajingmot banyakhon tang yau knyang jingpang COVID-19 laki upat ke jingyap jeng ki longkeme ki badang pun dangkha kumjo ke jingyap ki khulung ki badang sukha ha ka jekran bat ka Batisi TV ha bajubab ye kani ke jingkan tho ka seng kongres nakalyang uba preston tensong ula banjor ba kani ke jingkran ka seng kongres kalong ka bam shong nongrem tang khandiar ru bat ula pengsan ba kumba kalong menta bon kinong pang ki ba wan shaki jaka sumar la shimkhya ye ki jingpang jongki bat kidan ru ki balet pha sumar shabar jala Hakabaka sarkar ka jupai khmat saki ban ajiyarap.
It does not mean the fighting of COVID-19 is for 24/7 neglecting other diseases, neglecting other ailments. Because right now I'm telling you, those people who has different ailment, they keep coming to different hospitals. They keep going outside Meghalaya also for their medical treatment. So government is always there to help them out. So the question of neglecting other ailment that we have in the state, I think that is totally wrong. Okay, that is totally wrong. You tell me, is there any instances where PHCs or CHCs is closed down, or is there any hospitals, be it private, be it government hospitals, who send back the patients other than COVID-19? We don't have that. It's not there at all. So therefore, I think the allegation made by the opposition, it is baseless and it is also unjustified.